Hello guys and welcome. Today we are going to show you a complete guide to PumpBot so you can use it to its full potential. Now let's proceed to PumpBot settings. These settings are similar across all exchanges with some minor differences. Coin pair stands for the currency that we are going to trade our coins with. Most of times the pair is USDT or Bitcoin. Just enter USDT or BTC depending on the pump and exchange. Manually quoted stands for how much USDT or BTC you want to spend in the pump. If you set this number to 100, PumpBot will buy 100 USDT worth of the coin. In case of Bitcoin, you have to use amount of Bitcoin you want to spend. Buy limit or pre-pump protection is a feature that sets buy order to the price that is equivalent to the price when PumpBot loads the prices from the exchange and multiplies it with the number in buy limit. If the price is higher, your order will be cancelled. If it's lower, your order will be filled and you will buy the coin. For example, if price of the coin before the pump is 1 and your buy limit is set to 1.3, you are willing to buy the coin up to the value of 1.3 or 30% increase in its price. This is your maximal buying price. If you want to buy for the market price, you have to set this parameter to 1. This, however, can be very risky. We recommend to use pre-pump protection. Create limit sell order, or in case of Binance, create OCO order, is a feature which, if set to true, PumpBot will set two orders, one to take profit at specific price and the other is stop loss. Then, if you set take profit trigger to a value, PumpBot will place the limit sell order which is equivalent to the buying price multiplied by the number in take profit trigger. For example, if you use take profit trigger 1.5, PumpBot will place the sell order with profit 50%. If the price is hit, you will sell all your coins with profit 50%. If you use this, you can leave take profit set to 0 for KuCoin and Gate.io. For Binance, take profit will place sell orders as explained for KuCoin and Gate.io. Stop loss or stop loss trigger is the lowest price you are willing to hold during the pump. If you set this number to 0.85, it means that if price is 0.85 times the buying price, your coins will be sold if this number is hit. This feature prevents you from losing all your quoted capital. If you set timer mode to true, you will sell your coins after time specified in the parameter time. If you set this to 20, PumpBot will sell all coins 20 seconds after you bought them. Manual sell or panic sell allows you to cancel all the orders you have placed and sell coins immediately for current price at that moment. Limit price multiplier is used when you use manual sell or timer mode in order to make sure all your coins are sold. Keep the value to 0.7. However, there always have to be buyers for your coins. If there is not enough buyers when you want to sell, you might not sell all of your coins. If detection mode is set to true, it allows you to detect coins from one Telegram channel and two Discord channels at the same time. That's all for today guys, and see you in the next one.